Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Join me to cook this delicious dinner. And our dinner is ready. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you in my next video, remain blessed. Bye. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.